Hey guys, I just wanted to come on really quickly and share my Boxyluxe for December 2020 with you guys. I am super excited for this. In case you are not familiar with BoxyCharm and Boxyluxe, BoxyCharm is a beauty subscription. Their standard subscription is a $25 a month package that you get 5 full-size beauty items inside of, and every 3 months in December, March, June, and September, you have the opportunity to do the upgraded subscription, which is the Boxyluxe, and that is a $49.99 subscription 4 times per year. And this month's Boxyluxe for December 2020, the theme is bubbles and glitz. So I am excited to see what I have in here. Now you are able to choose one of the items that's in your box, and I chose something that is not makeup related, but I feel is beauty related. So let's just get into this. First and foremost, we have this here, which is a brush set from Luxie Brushes, which I love. This is a really nice case here. And now this brush set is an exclusive to BoxyCharm, so unfortunately it is not on the Luxie website. This is a gorgeous 8-piece brush set. This packaging is so pretty with the case, which is great for traveling. So as you can see here, you've got 3 of your essential face brushes and 5 essential eye brushes. That is a full-size set of brushes. I don't think that there are too many other brushes that you might need, so this is perfect to travel with. I'm super excited to get that. And that is an MSRP of $85 for this brush set. This is called the Glitter and Gold brush set from Luxie. The next thing I have is a moisturizer from Avant Beauty, and this moisturizer retails for $123, and this is a 1.69 fluid ounce tube here, and this does contain glycolic acid, and I'm hoping that this works wonders, because for $123 it should. Okay, let's get in here. What else do we have? Oh, let's see. I have no idea what this is. If I can ever get into it. My goodness, this is super rad. Okay, this has a glass container, that's why. Okay. Wow. So this is the Temple Rub, and let's see what company this is from. This is from Lifestyle Company. This is 100% natural calming temple rub. So this is supposed to be a relaxing mixture of lavender and mint to help soothe and calm you down. It's supposed to help in relieving headaches, stress, and anxiety. This is a retail value of $24. So I'm just gonna open it up and see. So it's got a little roller ball there, so you can see that. And it does smell like mint. So I'm willing to give it a try. I've never tried anything like that for a headache or anything. So we'll see. I'm excited to try it. Next, this is from Sol de Janeiro. This is the Brazilian Kiss Tinted Lip Butter. And let's see if I can see if there's a particular color or anything like that on the bottom here. It's so tiny you can't even read it, but let's just take a look at her. So that is the tinted lip butter. So it's very lightly tinted. It smells great, and it's got a little bit of sheen to it, so this will be nice to have when you don't want to wear lip color per se. You can have something on your lips that's moisturizing and has just a little bit of color. The next thing I have is the Iconic London. I believe this is the face palette. Yes, this is the Blaze Chaser face palette. So let's take a look at her. Oh, she's pretty. We've got some highlighter in there, some bronzer and blush. Let's just take a look at this. Oh, that's pretty. That's really pretty. Let's see what the blush looks like. Oh, that's nice. Okay. Well, I love Iconic London products, so this is exciting to have. And I don't have too many face palettes, so this is nice to receive. This is an eyeshadow palette here. Oh, wait a minute. Let me tell you what the Iconic London palette sells for $55. Okay, that's not bad. Now, this one in my hand is the Hip Dot Pressed Eyeshadow Palette. Cenote, I believe it's pronounced, and it is a $30 MSRP. So let's take a look at her. Oh, we got another sleeve. Okay. That's beautiful packaging. I really like that. Oh, wow. That is so pretty. That's gorgeous. Those blues are really pretty, but this one is speaking to me here. Let's see what she looks like. Wow. That is super pigmented. Oh, this gold is so gorgeous. Oh, wow. That is so pretty. I don't think the camera's going to do this justice. Like, this is really beautiful. The pigment in this is crazy good. I'm so excited. I don't have anything by Hip Dot, so this is my first palette from them. And judging from what I'm seeing with this formula, how gorgeous the pigment is, it won't be my last. That is so nice. So let's see what else is in this box. It's like, oh my gosh, there's so much stuff. Let's get out some of that packaging. So this is the Sunday Riley Good Jeans. This is a lactic acid treatment. I'm excited about this because Sunday Riley has some of the best skincare products out there. And this has an MSRP of $85. So that is major. And this was my choice item. This is from Beauty. And this is a teeth whitening kit. And this has a retail value of $89. So I am so excited to have this. It has this little unit here, has a light, a UV light that helps to whiten the teeth after you use the gel inside the little mouth grip there. So I'm super excited to have this because teeth whitening kits are so expensive, and it's nice to be able to try one. So having this included in the box is amazing. So I'm so excited that BoxyCharm is doing that. This particular box has a huge retail value. So we're looking at the whitening kit at $89, the Sunday Riley at $85, the Hip Dot eyeshadow palette at $30, the Iconic London face palette at $55. We have the Temple Rub that was $24, the Avant Glycolic Acid Moisturizer at $123, the Luxie brush set at $85, and the Sol de Janeiro tinted lip butter at $20. So altogether, this Boxyluxe has a retail value of $511, which is crazy good. So I hope you guys enjoyed seeing what I got in my BoxyCharm. I hope to see you in my next video.